Do logos matter in 2023? Aren't they just a small image in the top left of a website, the tiny social media avatar that we barely notice? If a company has great products, successful marketing channels and excellent customer service, do we really think a poor quality logo is going to prevent them from making sales? And in a time where the digital experience often takes precedence, like on a website, some might argue that logos might be losing their significance. Other elements have gained importance, like engaging content, user experience, and the overall visual design. Well, let me quickly share 3 thoughts with you. Number 1, what is unreasonable to expect of a logo? Number 2, what a logo can do? And finally, how to do it. Firstly, a new logo will never be a magic wand that catapults your business from failure to success. A logo will never, by itself, suffice a brand. Neither is a logo a comprehensive storytelling device designed to tell your customer everything they would ever need to know about your company, your history, the products you make. The function of a logo is to identify. This, secondly, is what a logo can do. A logo can be a distinctive and memorable symbol that allows your brand to be recognized quickly. A logo can be a stylistically appropriate design helping to signify whom your brand is for. Both these airlines are from the UK, but the difference is clear. A logo can be technically sound, well drawn, revealing an attention to detail and commitment to excellence. A logo can be the primary element amongst a number of other ingredients that together consist the brand's visual identity. Logos do matter because design matters. We've already established that a company can have success without an awesome logo, but a company can also have some success if it isn't great at everything else. Like it doesn't have great customer service, but it's good at other things, or its products are not long lasting, or its website converts poorly. As individual problems, they might not break certain types of businesses. That doesn't mean we shouldn't work on these things, try to improve them. Design can be a limiting factor in business, just like any of these other examples. My attitude is create the best thing I possibly can at the outset, and then improve every single part by priority. It's unnecessarily reductionist to dismiss the function of logos or to pit the importance of logo design against other business functions unless you're deliberately prioritizing the allocation of resources to another area for the moment. But the logo remains a vital part of a brand's toolkit. In app icons, for example, they serve as the first point of interaction for users, contributing to brand recognition and consistency, which are crucial in the digital world. Committing to excellence and consistency with your logo is part of a wider commitment to excellence and consistency in visual design, a key determiner in how customers will perceive your offering. As you develop your brand's experience and share your brand story, your values, your tone of voice, your vision will be heard. Over time, customers attach meaning and associations to your brand. A logo can then function as a visual cue that triggers emotions, memories, and trust in the minds of your audience. It's shorthand for all you represent. Think of the most iconic logos like Nike and Apple. They've become synonymous with the values and promises of the brands they represent, carrying a wealth of meaning in a simple graphic. When people see a familiar logo, it creates a sense of trust and reliability. If a brand consistently delivers quality, that trust is reinforced each time the logo is seen. If you want your logo to become a valuable brand asset, then you need to create an appropriate, high-quality mark and then stick with it for many years so that it can become a recognizable as an identifying symbol and act as a carrier for what your brand represents. If you're new here, welcome to Flux Academy. We're an online brand and web design school, and as well as 7 years worth of videos here on YouTube channel, including a few more about logos, we have a pile of free resources on our website where you can also learn about our programs like Brand Design Mastery if you're interested in branding. Until next time, my friends, happy designing.